Hello, everybody. Today I got a Blu-ray unboxing today. This one's for December 1st. Or, no, today's the 2nd, I believe. Today's December 2nd, 2023. Correct me if I'm wrong. Today I have a Blu-ray unboxing. I went to CVS to get a shipping label, and I noticed we had a bunch of DVDs, Blu-rays, CDs, and stuff. And this is what I picked up because it was kind of cheap and stuff like that. It was just a cheap price. I went ahead and got it. This one is a Blu-ray copy of Smurfs 2. This is in a 3D. This one has a digital HD and stuff like that. A cute film for both kids and parents can enjoy, says Francis Brokaw, FamilyChoiceAwards.com. Here's the spine and the back. This is the cost of the DVD and the Blu-ray disc. I'm not going to say the radiation anymore. I don't think there's no choice. I don't think I don't have to do it. So this one was released in 2013, and I'm trying to find the right time. I can't find the right time unless I completely miss it again. Oh well, I'm going to unwrap this now. This is my second Blu-ray copy that comes in the 3D and stuff like that. Or at least in 3D. I need to get the first one though. I had seen a few copies of the first movie on Blu-ray and DVD at the store today. I didn't get it today though. And yes, I do plan to get more Blu-rays. It just depends of what I find and stuff like that. But here's what it was like I started wrapping. This is in a clear case, which is pretty cool. I like seeing different stuff. It's the back. Alright. I believe this is the DVD. And here's the Blu-ray for original, and here's this one. I don't know which one's which. Cool. Here's the code. I think it's expired. Yeah, it expired December 31st, 2016. Here's our original Smurfs. I do have this on DVD. I do have this one too. I think I have this. I don't think I do though. But I do know I have this at my dad's. I do have this. I found this at DVD today. I didn't get it though. I might get this one someday if I feel like it. And here's the video game. It was for the Wii U, Wii, Xbox 360, PlayStation 3, Nintendo DS. I don't know if it's any good, but I might look it up online, see if it is. But I probably won't care to get it. I do want to watch this show someday. And that's it. That'll wrap it up for my Blu-ray update for December 2nd, 2023. See you in my next video.